ASUS E410KA is one of the cheapest Windows laptops currently in the market. You might be wondering what can this low-budget laptop really offer? Well, let's find out together. Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox ASUS E410KA laptop. Let's do a quick unboxing to see what we have inside. So when we open the box, our first thing we see is the laptop. We will check it later. And what else we have here? Okay, just some menu, nothing really important. And what else? I guess we have a power adapter. Okay, so I think that's it. And now let's check the laptop. Here is today's star, the ASUS E410KA, a 2024 model. Let's start with some key specs. This laptop features an Intel Celeron N4500 dual-core CPU, a low-end processor from Intel. It also comes with 4GB of DDR4 memory and 64GB of eMMC storage. The laptop is made of plastic and weighs under 3 pounds, making it very portable. I really like the look of this laptop. It's simple and sleek. Now, let's check out both sides of the laptop. On the left side, we have got an HDMI connector, both Type A and Type C ports, along with a headphone jack. On the right side, there is another Type A port. Here we have a 14-inch display with no touchscreen. I must say, a touchscreen on a laptop is one of the most useless features. There is also a 720p front-facing camera with a built-in microphone. Great for video calls, even if the quality isn't the best. This laptop comes with Windows 11 Home in Ace mode, and you know the first thing I'm going to do, disable this studio mode. Now let's talk about the price. The ASUS E410KA is priced at $180, but you can easily find it for less than $130. I recall the 2022 model going as low as $100 a couple of years ago. This is definitely one of the cheapest Windows laptops on the market right now. Finally, it comes to the most important question. What can this low-budget laptop really offer, and do I recommend it? The quick answer? No, I don't recommend it at all. At first, I thought this laptop was great for web browsing and media playback. It seems perfect for watching YouTube and checking emails while traveling. However, after using it for a few days, I ran into several issues. First of all, the cooling is terrible. I feel you might get burned if you actually put this on your lap. Also, after installing all the updates, you are left with only about 13GB of storage. And with its hardware limitations, it doesn't run very smoothly. I know this is a low-budget laptop and you get what you pay for. But here is the catch. For a little over $200 during a sale event, you can get a 14-inch VivoBook with a Core i3, 8GB of memory, and a 128GB SSD. In that case, you might as well spend an extra $100 for something with more flexibility. Overall, I just don't think this laptop is worth the money. It's like buying cheap shoes that are uncomfortable. Eventually, you will need another pair. It's penny-wise, pound foolish. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Take care and I will see you soon.